don't know what's in here, so I don't know if that makes
It's a solid.
It's a solid? Hey guys, welcome to the channel. 2X Jen here. We are going to do a little unboxing tonight.
Yeah, maybe just a quick little video, do some unboxing, see what we got. But we are David and Amy with Whatnot.
2X Jen Collectors on Whatnot.
On Whatnot.
You can find us on IG and eBay also.
Wow.
Yeah.
We're all over the place.
No, we're not on TikTok yet. I need to be on TikTok. David knows what this is. I was teasing people today in the stream, like, I don't know, because they were asking for stuff. It looks like they're all the same.
Yes, we have
JBK,
4 of the same.
JBK 92, whatever that is. Ooh, that was scary. We got set up. It might have taken me a minute, but you don't know that. But it really did. I had to get it all lined up. This looks like it's double taped.
Sometimes they come that way from the manufacturer for various reasons.
I don't know what's in here, so I don't know if that makes
It's a solid.
It's a solid? I was all hoping it was the new pop culture. People were asking about it today. I'm like, I don't know. Oh my gosh. Guys, the timeless icon R34. Can we get up close? Wow.
So we have, do we have a chase of that?
Yes, we do have a chase. So we have not gotten this whole set, any of these, except for the chase and now the Skyline. I don't think any of these other ones we have here. So anyway, that is beautiful.
So we will, when we do our chase show, we'll throw that in.
Yeah, that would be fun. Oh my gosh, David, you got 40 of those?
We got 40.
Whew. You know what I'm going to do?
Look at the card art on those.
I might be putting some on eBay. That's cool. All right. Let's bring on some mail call. So I know sort of what's in here. So this is from Chloe Clover. And she sells jewelry on Whatnot. And I got to do this up close. Anyway, she sells jewelry, but she said she put some Hot Wheel in here. So I don't know what it is. But I became friends with Paula when she started selling Hot Wheels. But her main gig on Whatnot under Chloe Clover is jewelry. But she sent me a Tarmac Global 64. Look at that.
That is red.
She's like, I threw some extra gifts in there for you. Okay, so she had a copper show. And I was, oh my gosh, look how cool. So I was like, well, I'll get a couple things from her because she always is amazing. This is what I bought. She gave me that and this. But these are the ones I bought. Aren't those sweet? So Chloe Clover on Whatnot if you're looking for some vintage jewelry, just jewelry. Or she even has Hot Wheels in her bin. Thank you, Paula. Yay. Okay, next box.
Ooh.
Love mail call.
Oh, now I do.
I sure hope. Look at all that. We know what that is. Thank you, Wicked Eli. He is also on Whatnot, and he has been helping David with some trucks.
Yep. So I'm collecting these. We're going to do some custom stuff with them.
Look at him.
Oh, he put the tabs.
Way to go, Eli. Wonder if he did it or Pops did it. Thank you. So we are collecting the Day of the Dead.
Yep. If you run across any, let me know. I am looking to buy some. We're going to do some custom cards. That goes with our
alternate logo. Here is the alternate logo. See, Day of the Dead. Our buddy East Bay Toys did them for us.
Yep. And if you look on the little sombrero there, it says East Bay Toys on that.
And we put a cross. He's just amazing. So since we have this, we thought when those trucks came out, it'd be really cool. I mean, check that out. That might be super cool.
So we're going to do custom card art, have that logo on it, and then that truck.
Yep.
And we're also going to have some
We have,
chases.
I think, 5 chases coming our way.
So
Different colors.
Thank you. Eli.
Okay, and then can I talk? I did not unbox this, and I should have on the on here. But my buddy, there's his name, DVSONE 209 Custom Z. He is on Whatnot, and he knows I love combis, and he knew I wanted a raw one.
With pink.
So he did it. Isn't that amazing? Thank you, Jonathan. I appreciate you. I love this combi. It'll be with me forever. Forever and ever. Okay, so I put, I think, like 30 cars where you can put pre-bids on them of FTEs. So those are in the show set up for next Friday.
Yep.
Which is whatever that date.
Yeah,
the day after Thanksgiving.
Yes, Black Friday.
Black Friday.
So check out our Whatnot page. And
Same
you will
name.
see that show. Yep, same name. The other thing we got in this week.
My gosh, look at my mess.
Boxes. We got a bunch of protectors in.
Premiums.
From Diamond Protectors. So we got premiums in, and then what are those? Are
Team
those
transports.
Team transports are
We've been
back in
having
stock.
people asking about them, and I'm like, no, we don't have them. But guess what? We have, I think, 200 team transports
Yes.
over there in that box. It's main lines. It says main 2.0.
Yes. So we got some main lines in there as well.
We also have some t-shirts. They're in our Whatnot store.
So we got our alternate logo shirts.
So pretty sweet.
Yep.
The
and
quality's
our
really good.
Original logo.
Yep.
Screen printed.
Yep.
So if you're looking for.
We don't have very many sizes right now, but we are going to be getting some more.
Yep.
We're going to go back to the company that did the best.
Let's do a little crack.
I love crack.
So these are pretty sweet, but they're even better when they're out of.
Look at that sweet, clean. Ooh.
Wow.
She is gorgeous.
They did a great job on that.
They did.
A
That
lot of details.
R34.
Look, that paint is
And
amazing.
what do I have to say? It has butt lights.
Yep. Oh, that's a nice Skyline.
Beautiful. We got to drive it. What if it doesn't drive very well?
Oh,
Ooh.
it drives good.
It does. It's very smooth.
So again, check us out on Whatnot. I will clip in our Whatnot page so you can.
And I am going to have some of these in our eBay store, and also we'll sell them on Whatnot. So, and I run Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
We have a couple fun things coming up this week.
Yes.
So some surprises that we can't talk about.
Nope, can't talk about them. But
but
we will be videoing.
Yep, we're gonna have a couple fun videos, us out and about. We're actually gonna go to a big toy store.
I'm excited about that.
Yeah. Well, thank you all for your support.
Oh my gosh, and we hit 1,000 subscribers.
Yes.
Thank you, everybody. Super excited about that.
Yeah.
Y'all want to go see Christmas decorations? David doesn't want to show y'all. I want y'all to see.
Wait, I'll see what they say. Nope, nobody said anything. Guess they don't want to.
They do, they do.
So short video, just want to jump on here, do a little unboxing, a little bit of mail call. So thanks Paula and thanks Eli for all the fun gifts.
Yes, I'm super excited about
It's always fun opening up mail.
it. It is fun. I hope I get some more mail. I like it.
Mail is fun.
It is fun. So don't forget, subscribe, like, share. We love you guys and we appreciate you and can't wait to come back on and share some more stuff with you.